Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in to the week ahead forecast. We're going to have a look at the weather for the week ahead, and we're going to have a look in some detail. Now, before I get on with the forecast, just want to talk about the advertising. There'll usually be a video ad overlaying my web videos at GazWebVids.com. Please play those video ads because you'll be supporting GazWebVids.com by doing that. The other thing I want to talk about is the websites where I get the charts from. It's weathercentral.de and weatheroutlook.com, and you can find both of those websites on my links page. So the first thing we're going to start off with is the Jetstream forecast. I had a message in the comment box from Mark from Chelsea yesterday, wanted to know where the Jetstream is. So this is the Jetstream at the moment. It's running right across England and Wales. Actually, it's well south of where it should be. It should this time of year be shunted off up towards Iceland and Greenland. It's well south of where it should be, and that's why it's been so unsettled and cool in recent days. Of course, we've got some terrible flooding across northern England at the moment, really is making the headlines, some of the flooding up there. And hardly surprised because it just poured with rain all day. There was over 100 millimetres, 4 inches of rain in some places. So anyway, that's where the Jetstream is. It's running across the country. It's south of where it should be. And the general situation this week, the Jetstream will probably be staying bit south of where it should be, but it's going to kink a bit, and that will allow somewhat warmer air to come up at the end of the week. We'll have a look at that though in a moment. So this situation today, there's below pressure there to the east of Scotland. That brought all of the rain yesterday. That's finally starting to clear away. Now I've got a very, very weak ridge across the country, but the next low pressure is waiting out in the Atlantic. So we're seeing the rain gradually dying out across southern Scotland and northern England, but there is still some showery rain going on in the north. Further south, well, we've got sunny spells, quite a lot of cloud, and just 1 or 2 showers scattered around. And then by the end of the afternoon, we're going to find heavy rain coming into Ireland, Wales, and southwestern parts of England. Temperatures are on the cool side today, just 15, 16, 17 degrees, well below average, and it feels even cooler in that wind. Now this is the facts chart for tonight. This is the human interpretation of the model of the computer models from the forecasters at the Met Office. And we've got another area of low pressure running in across the country. There it is there, right over the top of the country, a triple point low, and that's going to be taking heavy rain in across much of the England, Wales in particular, and some very wet weather indeed down in the south. Of course, we've got the Isle of Wight festival going on in the English Channel at the Isle of Wight, and well, it's going to be very wet there. If you've got a tent pitched up there, I think you're really going to probably be facing some flooding in the morning, because we've got some really heavy rain moving across England and Wales overnight. Further north, it's more showery for Scotland, but there will still be some showers going on. It'll be a mild night tonight, temperatures around 12, 13 degrees, so no problems with temperatures at all. And then that low pressure will gradually clear away to the east tomorrow, but it will be a wet start across much of England and Wales, particularly in the south, with some heavy rain. And then that rain will move away through the course of the day, with sunshine and showers starting to move down from the northwest. And some of those showers could be quite heavy, but in the south, probably not too many showers in the afternoon. You'll be able to start mopping up down in the Isle of Wight. Temperatures are on the cool side again, just 15, 16, 17 degrees, and we're in that northerly wind. Now going back to the computer model charts from Weather Central, and we can see that for Monday we're actually in a bit of a cold here, but the main thing is that high pressure is developing down across France, and that's going to start to push warmer air northwards. But for Monday, I think probably not looking at too bad a day really. A fair amount of sunny spells, quite a lot of clouds, some showers scattered around, but overall not too bad. Temperatures a bit higher on Monday as well, up to around 19 or 20. 20 is 68 Fahrenheit. Now I've got a bit of a ridge there across the south on Tuesday, so again Tuesday not too bad, maybe a few showers scattered around, but really not too bad a day. Some sunny spells, and temperatures up to around 21, maybe 22 degrees, up to below 70 Fahrenheit, and back where we should be for the time of year. But I've got the next area of low pressure developing out in the Atlantic, and that'll be moving in on Wednesday, and it'll be bringing this warm front up across the country on Wednesday. This is the facts chart for Wednesday. That warm front is pushing northwards, and it's behind that, but we're going to start to introduce some much warmer air from France. So I think Tuesday probably will see a fair amount the cloud across many. I think Wednesday rather will probably see a fair amount of cloud across many parts of the country, with rain moving up from the south through the course of the day. Some of that rain could be quite heavy actually. It could be quite a wet day on Wednesday, and then that'll gradually push northwards, and following on behind will be sunnier skies but a few thundery showers. It'll turn much warmer and much humid behind that rain in the south, with temperatures up to around 23, 24 degrees. 24 is 75 Fahrenheit, but further north those temperatures still quite low under that rain. So Wednesday, unsettled day with rain gradually moving northwards. And then on the Thursday we've got that low pressure out to west. This is where the ice bars are just kinking a bit, and we're pulling up much warmer air from the south. So I think on Thursday we're probably still looking at quite a bit of rain for Scotland, but further south we'll have some sunny skies and some really warm and humid air pushing up from France. It's going to get quite hot on Thursday, temperatures possibly up to around 26 degrees. That's very close to 80 Fahrenheit. But then gradually through the day we'll find a band of rain pushing in from the east, and that rain could turn increasingly heavy and thundery. You're looking at the convective potential for Thursday. These red colours here across much of England are indicating the chance of some very intense thunderstorms on Thursday. So yes, I think there is potential with the heat and the humidity to trigger off some thunderstorms as the rain moves in from the west. And then for Friday we're going to find much cooler, fresher weather then starting to push back in off the Atlantic. We clear away all of that heat and humidity. The winds go around to the west, so it's only a very, very brief burst of warm weather. I think we will find much cooler, fresher weather pushing across the country on Friday. Sunshine and showers really in a west to southwesterly wind. It will feel cooler with temperatures down to around 21 or 22, but that's around where it should be for the time of the year. And then into next weekend we've got low pressure up in the north. Still the outside chance of having some quite warm weather down in the south and the southeast actually. The warmth is still close by across France, so maybe we could pull some warmer air back to the south next weekend. But really, it's a cooler, fresher weekend with showers in the north. Finally, having a look at the jet stream for how we end the weekend. Well, the jet stream is still south of where it should be. The only difference is that we've kinked it a bit, and that's allowed that warmer air to push northwards. But really, the jet stream is still tracking further south than it should be at this time of the year. Having a quick look at the charts from weatheroutlook.com, see how it all works out in terms of weather in your area. And this is the situation today. Well, I think this is a bit overdone really. Not as much rain as this around, nor in way of sunny spells, and it is gradually drying up. Now this is a very wet weather across England and Wales tomorrow. We're going to have a really wet night and start to Sunday morning. That rain will gradually move away, then it'll start to turn showery, more showery from the north. Temperatures well down, only into the mid-teens really for many of us. A better day on Monday, more in way of sunny spells. Still a few showers scattered around, but I think Monday shouldn't be too bad at all. Same story ready for Tuesday. There will still be some showers around on Tuesday, but otherwise I think we'll have a fair amount of dry and bright weather with some sunny spells at times. Wednesday, well, we're going to find a band of rain moving up from the south on Wednesday. Some of that could be quite heavy, and that's going to introduce that warmer air. And then for Thursday, well, very warm in the south and the southeast on Thursday. Temperatures up into the mid-20s, around the 80 Fahrenheit mark, but rain coming in from the west through the day. That could turn increasingly thundery as it moves into that heat and humidity in the east. And then it's all cleared away, the heat on Friday. The winds go around to west or the southwest. Cooler, fresher, and still with some showers. So, summing it all up, it looks as though we're going to have a very wet spell again overnight tonight and through much of Sunday morning for England and Wales. Watch out if you're camping or got a festival going on. It's going to be very wet, very poor weather indeed. But it's not too bad for Monday and Tuesday. Could be a few showers around, but otherwise a fair amount of dry weather. Temperatures very much near normal. Wednesday, rain moving up from the south, and that could be quite heavy, introducing the warmth. And then for Thursday, a very warm day, could be quite humid, and we'll find some increasing risk of some thundery weather moving in from the west through the course of Thursday. Very hard to be certain about this, but we'll be looking at it in more detail through the week. But thundery weather moving in from west on Thursday, back to cooler, fresher weather with showers on Friday. So a lot going on this week, a lot to keep an eye on. Keep coming back to Gav's Weather Vids. I'll keep you updated with all the developments. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.